Do you know what is the main issue, main problem with MAD68HE or ACE68HE or any other 68% layout mechanical keyboard with Hall effect magnetic switches? The case. Take into account that we have a Wooting 60HE, right? For several years we have a lot of options of different accessories, case, wrist rest and other stuff, but for this new wave of 68% mechanical keyboards we don't have these options on the market yet. Yes, you can search on AliExpress and try your luck and wait for several weeks or months, or you can pay, I don't know, maybe $200 for aluminum stuff from KGB funds and also wait for several weeks or months. So I decided to change this situation, at least for me and for you guys. I decided to 3D print this case and right now in my hand you can see MAD68HE mechanical keyboard. To be able to print this case, and I will show you all details in a second, I choose my Creality K2 Plus 3D printer, and it was not a trivial choice because to be able to print one piece, this mechanical keyboard case, I need at least 320. In this case, it's 350 millimeters dimensions of the workspace inside the printer, because I don't want to play with separate parts of the one case and then stick them together. It doesn't look good at all. So right now in my hand you can see 68% mechanical keyboard case, and inside this case right now MAD68HE mechanical keyboard, right? So it's coming in this plastic case, right, by default. Also, I know that we have already aluminum case. I didn't try, but we have it. You know that on my channel you can see how to use this G65 from Junk Deere. This is a good aluminum case for the keyboard, right? So I did a copy by myself. So I did a 3D modeling in Fusion 360, right? And to start with something good, I did a copy of this case, right? So right now in my hands you can see exactly the same as G65 case for mechanical keyboard. I will show you how it looks like on my desk, and I will show you how it looks like with RGB on, right? But let me show you closer. This is not a final version, right? This is just a first prototype with a minimum filament inside, in fill, right? It's a 5% in fill, and all parameters on a minimum, just to try and assemble and check how it works. I already found several issues, right? So I need to move USB a little bit to the right, or I can make it more universal, so this case will suit any options of USB positioning on the left, on the right, in the middle, a little bit to the left, a little bit to the right. I will think about it, right? Also, I need to make a +1 millimeter on the bottom side, because right now I cannot press a space bar, right? And several other issues. But what is a main idea? Now I have a 3D model of this case, and I can play and I can enhance and I can create whatever I want with hundreds of different materials for 3D printing, right? From cheap to very high cost and premium look and feel. So guys, this video is just to announce that I'm starting my 3D printing chapter for mechanical keyboard cases. If you want to participate, to help me, just leave a comment under this video about what keyboard in high demand for mechanical keyboard case, and if you have any ideas what exact design would you like to see, for example for MAD68HE or MAD68HE or 60 or 70 or 75, up to 75. So I assume I can print up to 75% cases, and we can create them together. And I will be able even to, you know, make a giveaway for, you know, first production versions of these cases, so you will be able to see them, test them, and share your feedback. So I hope it was interesting. I'm really, you know, curious about your feedback in the comments. What do you think about this case? I know it's very simple. It's white, it's the same as G65, but as a beginning of this journey, I will really appreciate your support and your ideas and your insights.